Hi everyone, on occasion of Father's Day, this is very simple and easy card for the beginners and very small kids they can do. So here what we need is 150 GSM or 200 GSM, A4 sheet or A3 sheet, whatever you have you can use. Here I am using A3 sheet, so you can fold it into half like a notebook or like a greeting card. So now the folded part should be like this on the top, and we need to make one tie pattern on this folded card or paper. So measure equally the side lines, make sure that it should be longer, then only you will get tie like a normal tie. If you make little wider and it will be like shape out. So properly you make the pattern, then you can cut that pattern whichever we traced with your pencil. So now our tie pattern is ready. So just to make in standing position, I just trim the edges of the tie bottom. So now it looks like this. Now take another color paper. This also I am using 150 GSM. You can use normal paper also, no problem, but for the bulging look I am using this 150 GSM paper. So cut like equal size strips to give as a border on our tie. So in case if you don't want to make like this strips and do the border, you can use your paint or sketch pen or brush pen and make the border on the tie. So always cutting under paper sticking will give different look, drawing or painting will give another look. So now I am measuring the sides and sticking as per the measurement. You can lightly apply the glue, no need to apply too much. If you apply too much, the excess glue will spoil the card. So make light thin line and put the strip on that. So the top extra part we can cut it later. After sticking, let it dry for some time. Then you can cut the unnecessary parts. Here I am using contrast colors. So whichever color you prefer, that color you can take and make. If you have foam sheets, felt, whatever, you can use it as a border to decorate your tie shape card. Now we're done with borders. Now let's see how to make the other parts to decorate this little bit more. Now I am taking the same color, means blue color paper, which I used for the borders, to make the bow. So for that we just need to cut one thin strip, don't make too wider strip, and join these two edges with your Fevicol or glue. So you will find a ring or bangle shape. So these two edges in the center we need to press and attach with glue again, and cut the middle part little curvy shape. So you will see like this in the middle, and attach with glue and stick with glue again on the tie shape card. So now how to decorate this bow. To decorate this bow, we can use anything which we have at home, like thermocol balls or beads or any kundans, or you can make your own shape pattern, cut it and stick. Okay, so and I am making one more small tie with different color paper which is having patterns. If you don't have like this printed paper, you can use normal paper and you can decorate the small tie with your sketch pens with different patterns, whatever you like slanting lines, dots, circles, hearts, star, flower, whatever you want, and stick that small tie on the bow, and you can place any bead there. Here I am using filling strip and making tight roll with that and sticking that as a bead in the middle of the bow. That's it. Decorating part almost over. Now we need to do the write up. So here I already traced the dad here on the top. So you can trace that with your sketch pen or brush pen, however you are convenient. And down, Happy Father's Day. If you want, you can write the Happy Father's Day inside also, but here I am writing one beautiful quote inside, so I am writing Happy Father's Day here itself. And in the double line alphabets, if you want, you can fill the patterns also. Here I am just giving slanting line pattern, so whatever pattern you like you can put there, like dots, circles and other patterns. So whichever font you like you can give. Here space is less, so double line alphabet we cannot give, so I am giving single line alphabet only, whether it is cursive or designer font or normal capitals. You can give however you want. Hope you like my video. If you like it, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share with your friends. Happy Father's Day in advance. Enjoy your day. Stay safe, stay home, stay healthy.